Omuhwezi wa mukuru w'ihanga retired Major Jessica Rupo yayatura amakuru g'entebeekanisa ya gavumenti okwombekyera Irwaro district omu district y'Isingiro. Yabajwekire mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni aha mukoro gw'okujaguza obusinguzi bwa NRM obwo bururu obuherize kuteerwa aha ndengo zoona ogwaba omuri Kirumba omu Kishayi omu district y'Isingiro.
Abantu benda kumanya Isingiro byakoze overall Isingiro katera 98.3 munga konstituency yanjye ekatera 98.7 kandi mu district konstituency yanjye niyo yakize kuhereza votes president omunama.
A big district like Isingiro,
district mpango ke Isingiro,
with over 600,000 people, deserves to have a fully fledged hospital.
Thank you so much. Honor.
Right? Okutuberaho nyamara okutwaziraho yewe byona ebyo twitwara nka honorable member wa parliament way.
Hona ha mukoro ogu abebembezi bashaba gavumenti okubakorera ebintu ebitakateriire nk'ebyamagara enguuto okusya obuheereza omu bantu.
I've been crying for the hospital, district hospital, and I'm happy even Honorable Minister Craig when he posted His Excellency the President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni at his Thanksgiving on 28th of December 2024, he asked for that hospital, and in fact, the President promised that hospital.
With my colleagues to see all over the news that the Isingiro district is not a performing district, that we already bribe the assessors. It is not true, Vice President, there are parameters they consider when they are making assessments.
That road which is going to Mutukula. His Excellency the President, together with members of Cabinet, took a decision that that contractor should extend the work.
Vice President,
Amakuru agasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya.